I'm so pressured to go skydiving today. It's not gonna work out. It's raining outside, dark.
Skydiving, you're going skateboarding.
That's why I had the skateboard. Oh. That's rough, man. Let's pop off this thing. That is how I roll. More time. Oh, right. So no. That concludes our video. Comment below what you think I should do in my next video. I don't really have any ideas. Make sure to subscribe, and I've got a few other videos. Watch them too. Thumbs up for coolness.